Stories for kids on MyScience tutorials. My name is Character Forfoe and I'll be your storyteller. Today's story is titled The Magical Forest of Imagination. Deep within an ancient forest, hidden from the eyes of the world, there existed a place called the Magical Forest of Imagination. This enchanted realm was home to mystical creatures, talking trees, and wonders beyond belief. In a small village nearby, there lived a young girl named Maya, whose heart was filled with curiosity and love for stories. One day, as Maya wandered into the forest, a mischievous pixie named Spark appeared before her, beckoning her to follow. Intrigued, Maya ventured deeper into the forest, where the trees whispered secrets and glowed with vibrant colors. Spark guided Maya to a magnificent tree at the heart of the forest, a tree of wisdom. Its branches swayed with ancient knowledge and its leaves shimmered with possibilities. As Maya approached the tree, she heard a gentle voice emanating from within. It was the wise and gentle spirits of the forest, known as Elderwood. Elderwood shared tales of magical realm and adventures, sparking Maya's imagination. Eager to explore, Maya and Spark set off on an extraordinary journey through the magical forest of imagination. They encountered fantastical creatures like the playful fairy Whisper, the wise owl Sage, and the mischievous elf Trickster, who challenged Maya's wit and brought laughter to the adventures. Together, Maya and her newfound friends embarked on quests to unlock the forest's secrets. They discovered hidden caves adorned with glowing crystals where dreams turned into reality. They crossed sparkling rivers where mermaids sang enchanting melodies, filling the air with wonder. As their journey continued, she discovered that through her imagination, she could create wealth, forge connections, and bring joy to others. With each story she told and every idea she shared, the forest shimmered with newfound magic. One day, Maya stumbled upon a forgotten realm deep within the forest, a realm of lost dreams. The dream catcher, a mystical guardian, explained that the dreams of children from around the world had become trapped in this realm, longing to be set free. Filled with compassion, Maya and her friends devised a plan to release the dreams. They crafted colorful dream catchers and spread them throughout the forest, catching the dreams and releasing them back into the world, where they could inspire and ignite the imagination of children. With the dreams set free, the magical forest of imagination flourished like never before. Its trees grew taller, its creatures danced with joy, and Maya became a guardian of the forest, tasked with preserving its magic and sharing its wonders to the world. Maya returned to her village, but her heart forever remained connected to the forest. She became a storyteller, weaving tales of magical forest of imagination, inspiring children to embrace their creativity and explore the depths of their own imagination. And so, the magic of the forest lived on, touching the lives of all who believed in the power of imagination and the wonders that lie within. The end.